Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card with adapter. So in front of us are two capacities of SanDisk's High Endurance MicroSDXC memory card designed for continuous video recording. The one on the left has a 128GB capacity, the one on the right has a 64GB capacity. Now let's take a close-up look at both these packets side by side, so that we can see they both have a UHS Speed Class rating of 3 and support 4K Ultra HD video recording, and they both have an advertised read speed of 100 megabytes per second and write speed of 40 megabytes per second, and they both come with SD card adapters. And taking a look at the back of the packet, there's some very fine print with the details and specifications. Let's just set the 64GB capacity one to the side and focus on the 128GB version in this video. So taking a close-up look, we can see that it supports up to 10,000 hours of continuous video recording and is advertised for use in video camera systems. And taking a look at the back of the packet, and this time of course up close at the fine print. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by of course cutting the top off, and we can set that to the side, and we might need to cut further in, maybe, or maybe not, and we just about have an opening up here. And peering inside, let's slide that clear plastic tray out, if we can do so. Right there, and just setting the packet on the left hand side of the frame, so giving you a nice clear look before I start handling it. And right here up close, the SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card with adapter. And giving you an even closer up look before I start handling it. So right there, giving you nice good detail of this micro SD card with its SD card adapter. And now let's open up the packet by of course peeling the clear film off. So there is a clear film backing, it seems. So I'm struggling slightly here, trying to peel off that corner edge. So right there, it's coming off, and right there, peeling that film across the two items and just tipping the micro SDXC card out first. And we might have to make a bigger tear in this film so that we can remove the SD card adapter. So right, putting that down and setting that film to the side, and of course making sure that we recycle that packet thoughtfully. So giving you a close-up look at the micro SDXC card along with its adapter side by side. You can see that the micro SDXC card, the high endurance SanDisk version, has a white body with black and gold text to it. and taking a look behind or the back of the adapter on the left and the memory card itself on the right. So try my best to give you that close-up detail. And of course, right there, the thickness of it as well. Just right there, giving you some close-up looks at both these items. Now let's set the adapter down and focus with a close-up look at the SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card itself. So this is the 128GB version, and just giving you some idea of the size, of course, and shape as well, and resting it or placing it in my palm right there, the memory card, and of course giving it some scale and perspective with the adapter next to it as well, trying to give you various aspects of this package. And once again, taking a close-up look at both these items up close. And of course, inserting the micro SD card into its adapter should you need to use it in a larger or SD format device. So simply sliding that micro SDXC card into that slot of the adapter. And of course there is the write protect switch as well should you need or want to protect your data from being overwritten or deleted. You can always slide that switch down to protect it from being deleted or overwritten. And of course, to re-enable writing, simply slide it back up in the top position. And now giving you a look at the card in my palm right there. And giving you that all-round look of this SD card adapter with that SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card slotted into it. Simply slide it out if you want to remove it and reuse it as just a straightforward, straight up microSD card. Okay, so setting that adapter down and to the right hand side, or maybe just keep it on the left hand side of the frame, and taking one last look at this SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card right here and up close. You can see the different speed certifications. So it is a class 10 card with a video speed rating of 30 and UHS Speed Class rating of 3. So that's the SanDisk High Endurance MicroSDXC card with adapter. Thanks for watching and happy recording!